Classic games like Super Mario Bros., Sonic the Hedgehog, and Donkey Kong left our childhood filled with nostalgic memories. These games are so popular that to this day, we enjoy playing these games. If you're someone who is into classic games, then check our top 5 picks for retro handhelds. Audroid Go Super Handheld came out last year with a traditional look of Nintendo Switch Lite. The display size is 5-inch TFT LCD with a resolution of 854 x 480. Thanks to its colorful screen, the gameplay looks amazing for classic games like Super Mario Bros., Mario Kart 64, Sega Genesis games, and other NES games. But this handheld drops its performance when it comes to running a bit demanding games like 3D PSP and Dreamcast games. Overall, this handheld is pretty comfortable to hold. With 4000 mAh battery capacity, users can easily play games for up to 10 hours straight. As for connectivity, Audroid Go Super has a GPIO connector, headphone jack, USB-C charge, USB-A, power button, and volume buttons at the top, including a microSD card slot at the bottom. The latest BenQ Win 600 is a powerful retro gaming handheld that supports some modern PC games as well. With the 5.94-inch and 1280x720 resolution, it delivers pretty high-quality visual effects. Because of its slightly powerful processor and GPU, it allows users to run Steam OS. Users can easily browse games from the Steam library and play any games they want. Even a few modern AAA games such as Cyberpunk 2077 can run up to 20 to 26 FPS. Other 2D and platformer games run just fine without any major issues. Users can also install Botsera if they wish to. In addition to that, this handheld also comes with pre-installed Windows 10 OS. Overall, if you're looking for a modern gaming handheld in a reasonable price range, the RG503 is a good option for you. Growing up, many of us are familiar with the classic Game Boy that took our childhood gaming experience to the next level. Poco Kitty 820 has almost the same design as those Game Boy handhelds. The display size is a 3.5-inch screen with 640x480 resolution, and it does a pretty good job compared to its size. 2D platformers, arcade games, and other PSP NES games run pretty smoothly. However, it does drop some performance when running a bit heavy games from Dreamcast. Now, if you had a wonderful childhood with Game Boy, then we believe you will love this handheld. BenQ RG503 is your latest mid-tier gaming handheld which supports up to 20 types of game formats. The most attractive thing about this handheld is that it has a 5-inch OLED display with 950x544 resolution. This OLED display makes gameplay look incredibly nice. As a result, it looks pretty impressive while playing NES and Sega Genesis games. Thanks to its 5G Wi-Fi support, online sparring options are also available with other BenQ owners. Users can also stream the games from other platforms using an HDMI cable as well. Now, this Retroid Pocket 2 Plus is purely made for bringing back childhood memories. Thanks to its simplistic shape design, retro game enjoyers can easily put it into their pockets. This small handheld has a really nice and tiny 3.5-inch touchscreen display, and performance-wise, classic games such as NES, PSP, and Dreamcast games do perform really well. Lastly, this handheld has a 4000 mAh battery capacity and it runs Android 9 OS. So, that was all about the 5 latest retro handhelds. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.